Hello everybody! So happy to have you back here. If you aren't subscribed already, be sure to click that subscribe button, and you probably noticed that the channel name has changed. It's no longer Saleh Beauty. We renamed our channel and called it Saleh Family because we are going to be hopefully every single week posting a YouTube video, and if you guys already follow us on TikTok, you'll know us as Saleh Family. So we're going to be posting a lot of like lifestyle, travel, family, beauty stuff, just like literally anything and everything. And it's going to be me and William combined on this channel now. So today I am going to be showing you kind of not like my everyday look, because I definitely don't wear this every day, but this is kind of like my go-to makeup look when we're going out somewhere or I want to get something done quick. It's not complicated, it's not an over-the-top kind of look. It is kind of, I would say, like more on the natural, not natural. Natural but not natural side. It's just not over the top, it's not crazy. It's really easy to duplicate, so if you do create this look, please tag me on Instagram at Saleh Beauty. I would love to see and repost it on my Instagram stories. Other than that, let's hop right into the tutorial, and I hope you love it. Alright, so if I was to use one makeup product for the rest of my life, this would be it. It's called the Color Correcting Tinted Moisturizer by Synogens. You guys have absolutely no idea how much I love this stuff. It is so good. It is a light to medium coverage, so it looks really natural. You can see how it blends right into my skin, and it doesn't even look like foundation. It just blends so nicely. I'm not even kidding you. If you want to try one thing out of everything that I use today, you need to try this. Then I'm going in with my light concealer, and I'm actually going to mix Shadowsense in the shade Whisper Pink. And the reason why I do this is you can see like how bright it makes my under eyes. It just acts like a highlighter, I guess you could say, concealing and highlighting in one. Then I'm going to use my Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil, and this one is in the shade Brow Harmony Deep Brown. And look at the difference that eyebrows make. Oh my goodness. Hello, brows. In case you're wondering, I do tint my brows. That's why they're a little bit stained prior to applying the pencil. Oh, there's my kids. Hi. Bye. Okay. Now we're going to go in with the deep shade of Tinted Moisturizer. For my face, I use the shade Medium, and then for my contour slash bronzer, I use the shade Deep. And I love using this because it really, look at that, blends into the skin so nicely, and it looks so seamless. And it gives me the dimension that I need for my face. I just absolutely love the way that it looks. And it just blends so good, you guys. It's like butter. Okay, then I'm going to use Shadowsense in the shade Desert Rose. I'm going to use this as blush. And when I say you need a little bit, I mean seriously. Like, you need a little bit of this stuff. It goes a long way. It's a cream to powder formula, so it's going to last all day, and it's waterproof, and it's so pigmented. You can see how much pigment there is in just like 2 little specks. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then after I am done my blush, I'm going in with my Holy Grail liquid highlighter. This stuff, I'm telling you, is life-changing. It's called Pearlizer. And I'm going to use it on top of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, above my Cupid's bow, all the places that you would normally highlight. And I'm telling you, this is essential. Like, if you're going to do anything on your face, use the tinted moisturizer and use this highlighter and you'll be set. Like, look at this glow. It is crazy. It looks like you've eaten all your vitamins and you drink your water all day and you're super healthy. You're just glowing from within. I'm telling you, it is such a natural glow. And if you've ever seen my face glowing with highlighter, this is it. I haven't used anything for years. This is the only thing that I use. I love it so much. This is the advanced anti-aging formula, by the way. There are 2 formulas. There's one that's a little bit more gold, and this one's more champagne. And I'm just jamming out to some Justin Bieber music. There you go. Look at that glow. It's like this like glow from within. I just love it. Then I'm going in with Shadowsense. This is Mocha Java. It's kind of like this like mid-tone, kind of like a cool mid-neutral, I don't know exactly, brown. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm just throwing this right in my crease. No rhyme or reason, just swipe it back and forth. And you can keep adding color until you're happy with how much dimension there is. I just like adding this into my crease because it just kind of pulls the whole look together. It's a simple eye look anyway, so I'm just putting this in my crease just to make it nice and easy. And you can see how much of a difference it really does make. It just adds more dimension. I think I'm like bopping my head up and down. I think I was listening to a really good song. I don't know. How many of you guys do that? Do you guys listen to music when you get ready? Oh yeah, totally. I'm jamming out. Okay.
Then I have Brownstone Shimmer. This shade is so gorgeous. I don't know why, man, but like my camera totally tweaked out and it didn't record the first part. So there it is on my eyelid magically. Then I'm going to do it on the other eye, and from here I'm going to grab another fluffy brush, this time with no product on it at all, and I'm just going to blend the edges so that you can't really see where it starts and ends, just to have a little bit of shimmer on the eyes. Like I said, this is not like an over-the-top kind of look for me. It's just like a quick, easy, kind of glowy look. Then I'm going in with my Rare Beauty liquid eyeliner. Again, my camera was not focusing properly, so I'm so sorry that half of this is defocused or unfocused. I don't even know the right term. But it didn't turn out very good. And you can tell I was kind of going back and forth to just like try and see where the best position was to sit so that you could see. But anyway, I am kind of flicking it out a little bit, doing a little wing. If you want to see a more in-depth tutorial about like how I do my eyeliner, let me know and I'll have to try and figure out how to do it on camera. But for now, this will do. So I'm just doing a tiny little mini wing, and then I'm going to take my absolute favorite mascara of life, you guys. Okay, I'm not even going to like speed this up too much because we just have to appreciate how amazing this mascara is. I haven't used any other mascara for years. Lashsense has beneficial ingredients in it that will actually stimulate your lash growth. So look at how sky high my lashes are. It's because of this mascara. Not only does it give you this length and volume, but over time your own lashes will grow more. They will be strengthened. They will be thicker. I'm telling you, if you go back and you scroll back on my Instagram page or anywhere, you can look and see how much longer my lashes are now than they were like 2 years ago. So I'm going to do this on the other eye as well. And then once I'm done my mascara, I kind of check and make sure that everything is good. It's nice and even. Can you believe though that this is only one layer on each eye? All right, so then I'm going to quickly fix my magnets and my hijab style, and I'm going in with Lipsense in the shade Kiss My Sass. Such a fun name. I'm going to do 3 layers of this. I'm actually going to just skip some of this video because it's kind of boring watching this, but that's 1 layer, and then I actually went in and did a 2nd and 3rd layer. And you do have to wait for each layer to dry and make sure that you do it all in one direction like this. And then once I'm done adding my lip color, make sure you fan it really well. This part's a little bit boring. Make sure it's super dry, and then apply the Lipsense gloss. I'm using Pearl Gloss. I love the sheer kind of like luminosity that it gives my lips. I just love that plump look. I am all about those glossy lips, you guys. I love them so much. Can you see that? Did you see the wand? There's no pink on the wand. It is magical. This lip color is waterproof and smudge proof. It's life-changing. You can see right here. This does not budge, and it stays put for up to 18 hours. It's so good. So here's the finished look. Super glowy, easy. If you replicate this, please tag me on Instagram at Saleh Beauty. I would love to repost your makeup looks. And if you want to try any of these products, my shop is linked down below. A majority of these products are available from my shop.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more kind of like makeup looks that I do, let me know in the comments and let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Make sure you click that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below. Do all the things that you're supposed to do. Apparently, like, YouTube is a lot more complicated, but every single thing that you do helps us, and we truly appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already heard, me and William started our own podcast, Saleh Family Speaks, and you can find it on Apple, you can find it on Spotify, you can find it on anywhere where you stream podcasts. I actually have the link in the description if you want to check it out too. Other than that, I will catch you guys next time.